Hello everyone, welcome to our Arduino project presentation. We're excited to show you our AP6 project, the alarm system, but with challenges. My name is Ral, and with me are Daryl and Olario, and together we are
The Arduino newbies.
In this project, we're creating a basic alarm system with challenges. We'll also make the buzzer play a melody using musical notes. This will demonstrate how we can control frequencies and duration with the Arduino. So the materials that we need in Arduino AP6 alarm is that we need Arduino Uno, Arduino Shield, and one buzzer, and two jumper cables male to male. So this is the step-by-step instructions for setting up the circuit. First, let's connect the buzzer to the Arduino board. As you can see, as shown in the diagram, connect the positive leg of the buzzer to pin 8 and the negative leg to ground. So here, this is for the ground, and this one is for positive. So now, let's connect the Arduino Uno and the Arduino Shield. So this is the code for our AP6 challenge. At the start of the code, we define the frequencies for various musical notes. These values represents the frequencies in Hertz or Hz. The Arduino will use to generate the corresponding sound. So there is 31, 33, as you can see the numbers here, there. And then the 10-point buzzer pin. So in the tempo of the melody is set to 140 beats. This is per minute, which controls the speed in which the melody will be played. We also assign the buzzer to pin 8. Here's the buzzer to pin 8 connected to the Arduino Uno. And the melody is that we create an array called melody. Here's the array called melody that holds the notes of the song along with the duration. The note is defined first, followed by a number that represents its duration. For example, note C, and then 4 means play C4, middle C, for a quarter note duration. So, to calculate the total number of notes by dividing the size of the melody array by 2, because each note has a duration associated with it. So here, it is been divided by 2. Calculate the number by the notes of notes. So the duration of all note is calculated in millisecond. This calculation is important because it serves as the base duration for the other notes, like quartered 8 notes. So this is the quartered 8 notes. So the note duration 4 means, where's the note duration? For example, 4 means the quarter note. So here is the quarter. So the note duration is the negative numbers represent dotted notes which are no longer by half of the original duration. So the noted notes is here. Noted notes. For example, noted. And then the loop function. So here, the loop function is empty because the melody only plays once when the program runs and there's no need to